You sing with the music, you sing it loud.
He ain't right. They just rolled out the red carpet, getting it all fixed for us. Here's our boat for the night. Looking forward to it. We have pineapple and orange juice. Cheers! Very interesting taste after toothpaste.
Again, my name is Banji. Welcome once again. I'm Banji. I'm the cruise supervisor on board, and the captain of the cruise is Captain James. So, yeah, the cruise has departed already, and I will just let you know how the route of the cruise is going today. So right now we're heading down to what we call the East Marina.
Beautiful. There's the Princess. That's the the tallest residential building in the world. The one with the green princess crown. It'll be red in just a second. Quite a big, there you go. Quite large. Over the marina. We like that building right there. It's twisted.
Sorry, I got my mouth full.
That's a cool looking building right there. Look at that.
Reminds me of an old record building or something.
Pretty cool building, huh?
What building is it? You say frame?
MR.
There's about 1,000 of those.
And here is the Dubai Marina Mall. Little boat beside us. Now look at this building I was showing you. Looks like there's a huge frame in it. Pretty cool. That's one thing about Dubai and Abu Dhabi both. The architecture is just amazing. There's not two buildings identical. Here's our humble abode for the week. On the right, the Pearl Marina. This little short one right here. The tall one with the lights on is the Wyndham. And then this is us on the 5th floor. And we've been having fun watching the boats go by every day and night. Pretty nice little place for $40 a night. 1 bedroom, 2 baths. Look at there. Pretty cool.
Most of the trees lit up.
There's the wheel. It's going to be the tallest Ferris wheel in the world when it's completed in October of 2020. have these metal trees. I really can't see them very well. I think those are fashioned after the garden in Kuala Lumpur. Cool. This little area right here, there's steps off the bridge, and it's a little sitting area. They got it on both sides. Hang on, I'll show you. See the little sitting area? That's pretty cool.
Building on the other side, you'll see it on the way back, I'm sure. It's got the red streaks running up and down the side of it.
Ah. There's the wheel. And this is part of just a little island that you come out on. And it's a small island.
Yet they built this huge wheel on it.
Yep. They built a huge wheel on it. They know tourists will come. That is one big wheel. It's going to be the tallest one in the world when it's completed in October of 2020. Check out the lazy moon going through the spokes there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's two buildings, two towers over there that look a whole lot like the Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur, but a whole lot shorter. They're to the left of the purple. And then the green crown up there is the Princess that's now changed to red. That's the tallest residential building in the world. And beautiful, beautiful skyline here on the Arabian Sea. Then take a look at this. Oh, look at there, change to blue. If you ever get to Dubai, and we hope you do, it's a great place, very safe here. Very, very safe. But this is the, what's it called? Exclusive?
Yes.
Exclusive cruise. And it was a dinner cruise, and we had live music for the majority of the time. It's only $55 a person, which is very reasonable. We had a really nice buffet with a live pasta station. It was really nice. Okay. Tell the blue building bye. Okay. Yeah. That's kind of cool. Nice little show.
Photo bomb.
You're good at that photo bombing, aren't you? That's all right. You can photo bomb anytime you want. And then what you're looking at here on the right, all these tall buildings that kind of look, I don't want to say drab, but you know.
Like what? Grass?
I don't want to say drab, but they're kind of plain looking towards everything else. But anyway.
That's one of the 40 buildings he built.
There are 80 80 buildings in this house, in this residential complex. And it houses, I think, 6,900 apartments. I believe that's what the guy said. Isn't that something? All right. Oh, we're back to red.
Orange.
There we go.
Orange going to red.
Can you tell we like lights? Shiny objects. Can you tell I like lights and shiny objects? Yep. Yep. Our hotel's right back there. And as you hear, it's call to prayer time.
ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت 7 سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة والله يضاعف لمن يشاء والله واسع عليم. الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله ثم لا يتبعون ما
Pretty cool, because I can video you. And I can video me.
I think that's the back of your head.
Yeah, everybody knows who I am. So I can video photos like such. That little back there. And then look at this, look at our boat. We're getting ready to get underway. We're waiting for the last few land lubbers to get on board. And Brenda's over here singing me karaoke songs. Go ahead, Brenda.
I got you, babe. They say we're young and we don't know. We'll find out.
Oh my goodness.
Well, that's better than you sounded during the talent competition, I'll give you that.
That was 8 years ago, too.
That was it 8 years ago?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I remember you forgot all the words and got stage fright. And here I am muddling my way through it. I remember that.
I lost my wig as I was walking on the stage.
Yeah.
I made a really bad share. Really bad. You were pretty good Sonny, though.
No, I wasn't. I was terrible then. I think we were both terrible. I think when we got off the stage, people just said, what the hell was that? Yeah. What was that? Well, that's not a prize winner, folks. All right, let me